Dancing. I'm dancing, dancing, dancing. Let's go.
What is this? Vodka Sprite. Vodka. You want to give that holy or splash of
Pineapple.
pineapple? Is that what it is?
Boy, now you make me float, float, float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, dope. 'Cause you.
Ask me, where is the music? There's no music. I'm just dancing. I'm dancing, dancing, dancing. Let's go to the show. What show we going to? I don't know. I don't know. Enough foolishness. Hello, my beautiful people. How y'all doing today? I'm trying to up my spirit because on flow is here and the body is under pressure. Let me tell you no. Listen, man. I can't deal with it. I can't deal with how my body feel right now, but this is how I know, say. This is how I know I really want this, because when I tell you, say, my body not feel good, I'm really, really, really not feeling good. But I need content, both for YouTube and for TikTok. So, I'm going to cook some ghetto oxtail, okay? But before we get into that, hello cuties, hello newbies, welcome back to the vlog. Hope y'all are good. If you have not yet subscribed, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, share, all those good stuff, okay? And welcome darling, and my cuties. Thank you, my cutie patooties. Thank you. Anyway, guys, today I'll cook some turkey neck. In Jamaica, we call this ghetto oxtail because it look just like oxtail, and if you cook it good, it tastes like it too. Right, my people? Right. So right down there, comment. So right, okay? If you agree with me, if you cook this thing good. Today, I got turkey. Today, I got curry it. Today, I got curry it with some broad bean. And I'm going to cook some. I don't know how long I want to cook this. I have 2 cans of canned callaloo. I'm going to cook some callaloo rice. I've been feeling for that callaloo rice so long. I have 1 pear, but I think the pear that ripe for my fancy up my place. But not ripe at all. I wrap it up. I put it in the dark. With everything what they say for doing it, you know. I wrap it up a little more and see if by the time I done cook, if that'll get it right-ish. It's not tough, you know. But I just know say one look more right, look more softness, you know what I mean? Yeah. But if that not work out, me one look like I'm planting that spoil, so I want to look a rotten plant here, so and me have some vegetables in the fridge. So guys, I'm not sure if this is a new vlog. I'm not really sure, but if it is, welcome back. And if it's not, welcome back. Okay. So first thing we are going to do is we're going to wash this meat. Can you stand the rain? Guys, you see I'm wearing one of my dress from Shein. Stay one place. One of my dress from Shein. Check it out. It's so pretty. Nice, right? If you have not yet seen my Shein, I'll go ahead and check it out. It'll be somewhere here or here. I don't know how they do that. I probably don't even do it. But go check out the Sheen haul if you haven't seen it yet. It's over there on the channel somewhere. Alright, let's go. I'll put uno. So guys, the first thing we're gonna do is wash them chicken here. Yeah, about chicken. Guys, wanna see me do easier? See this? Look at it. It have whole heap of skin. Whole heap of skin on it. Look. See all these fat? Take them off. So you just grab them the end with a knife. And you just rip it right round. Can be hard sometimes, but just rip it. It'll come off. So guys, now we're going to wash it with vinegar. Now we have it clean and pretty. Just like that. Well guys, the last of the green season left. We have to make some more. And me make it, me show you how me do it. So the Jamaican mix up. We're gonna put some garlic powder. Gonna put a little black pepper. We're gonna put some pimento. We're gonna put a little curry. I'm gonna just put the whole of the better pack what I have on it. I'm gonna cover this for a minute and come back. So I'm gonna put them in already. First I burn the curry and then I add it to I burn the curry with some garlic. And then I add it to the pot. So now I'm gonna just cover this. Baby, just give me something. So guys, I forgot invest in a TikTok light, cause I don't know the back and the forth with that one light here, nah work at all. I put one onion, piece of scallion, and one pepper in another meat pot there. Like I just chop them big and show them in there. Because I'm going to season it again when it half cook. And turkey neck take a little while for cook too. It's not so bad like oxtail, but it take a minute. Oh, I'm going to put ginger in it. So that it not run the body belly as it. Well, I'm sorry my mother can't eat this because what me tell you. Hello, my nephew there still. Oh guys, my nephew is here. Yay! He's been here like a year now. But he was in Florida. Now he's here in Connecticut with me. Love that for me. The more family, the better. Until we can't bother with them. My nephew not picking them, a man. Well, not man. He's my 18. But y'all get what I'm saying. I think maybe we know we'll meet him tomorrow. throw the water in the pot here right now. I don't know why the camera looks so dark to me, but it is what it is right now. May I look for some season for do the callaloo rice my way guys. So how I do my callaloo rice is I season it. I season it just like how you season your callaloo. That's what I do. Some actually put sweet pepper. I'm gonna show them. You guys see that? I know me not add no water to it, you know. It just a spring it own water. And the water thick. Just so I rinse out the plate we have. And throw a little bit of water upon it. We're gonna chop up our vegetable. We have coconut milk. We got 2 coconut milk, thank God. Cause me never buy none. Sing curry up. I want them for pressure that meat, yeah. I can't go by there, you know. I make this the other day. I think I want me to cook the curry crab. No, yeah, I don't know which one I video them. I'm cooking and make the. Somebody come up on my video and said that's why you don't have no man. And you're dead. Somebody say that's why you don't have no man because you're lazy. You're over there cooking with bag coconut milk. I'm like, what in the world? I have to tell them thanks still because all these years me I wonder why me not a man. No me know. No me know why. Okay, and you need to learn for greater coconut. And you'll find you a good decent man, okay? These people will check. Hey, if you ever read comments sometime, if you ever read comments sometime, it drive you crazy. And you know me read them and just skip through them like nothing. If you ever see TikTok comment them, oh God man. People them on TikTok. Well, not the people in. Because, for instance, me get 10,000 comments. Maybe 6 person is like, that is not authentic. Don't put Jamaica name in that food. My stew peas, you know? People will argue. So my stew peas are authentic because it is seafood. First of all, I didn't even call it authentic. It's just that it's still peas. And then somebody come on in the comment and said, why, like the person that say, she didn't say it was authentic. The person, the next person say, the moment she add that song to it, she's trying to tell you that it's authentic. And you know, I'm just reading all these comments and going through and not even look upon them. Because who sit there and argue about foolishness like that? Who? It's crazy. If you don't want to eat the thing, don't eat the thing, man. I have 1 Guinness. When I finish, I'm gonna drink it, listen to some music, edit. Schedule my video. I hope I done edit by 2 o'clock. And I'm done. I can build a little bit until, well, tomorrow I can be free, which is good. Alright guys, I'll be finished and see what I got. Oh my god, guys. Morning, cuties. Good morning, cuties. Good morning, newbies. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Can2Cute. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please turn on your post notification bell so you can get notified whenever we drop another vlog or a video or whatever or anything. Turn those post notification bells on, guys. Thank you. Hello, my beautiful cuties. It is Tuesday morning. I didn't vlog yesterday. There was nothing to do. I'm on a most tired of me just a drive go work. I know I'm most fed up by it. But I said I have to come here alone this morning because I can't go to the end and say hi to my cuties. Crazy. No, my love. Oh, what kind of neck pain that? That was weird. Okay. Yeah, somebody just come say hi. Guys, I'm telling you, I have been so bloated for the past like week. One, because of my on floor. One, because of she, and then two, because I made that stew peas and I ate like so much. I ate like 3 days straight. And you know how peas make you bloated? Yo, what am I telling you say? Bloated. I feel like I'm 10 months pregnant. Feel tight, tight, tight. So me last night now drink. We have this tea, right? I think it's called slim tea. My mother call it shit tea. I'm sorry for the TMI. I'm so sorry. But you drink that whenever you feel like you can't go, you know? So I took upon myself last night and took 2 tea bags, put it in some water and drink that water. Went to bed, expecting to get up in the middle of the night and you know, go. Feel free, feel good. Liar tell, I'll know. When we done get ready for and sit down in the car now, my belly dip on fire. And I can't turn back because it's like I'm 11:40. I'm supposed to be at work for 12. So ain't no way me I turn back and go no way. So I'm telling you, I'm afraid for shift. It don't feel like I'm gonna have an accident. It's just paining, which means to tell you say you need to go. So I'm hoping today is one of those days where my client don't really need me and I can be like lunchtime, because I don't take lunch unless me have something to do. So if it get drastic, me will call for your lunchtime today and go to my yard. Because one thing for sure and 2 things for certain, me not sit down in the bathroom. That's not happening. But TMI, I know, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm just feeling it right now. I feel like talk about it. But I cut it out. We're done. We're done with that. Yeah, so I bought ticket yesterday. I am so excited. I bought ticket for Cat Williams. Cat Williams is here on the 17th of April, next month. I got it for 200 and something. It's not an upfront and close personal seat because obviously the concert booked long time. There was just like a few seats remaining, so I'm like, I gotta pick one. Cause Cat Williams, oh my God. Fun fact about me, guys, I love stand-up comedy. Love it. Dave Chappelle is my favorite. Cat Williams is one. I like the little shorty, what's his name? Kevin Hart. He used to be funny. I don't think he's funny anymore. And Fluffy, I love Fluffy. I love him. I just love stand-up comedy, I do, but it's kind of expensive to buy a ticket to go see them all the while. You know, but Cat Williams, I had to see him. So, yeah, I'm excited about that. You guys like stand-up comedy? And if you do recommend one, I watch almost everyone on Netflix. Well, not almost everyone, as them come and watch it. Hold on, Macy's. Hello?
Oh, for September 2.
Fuck that. Anyway, guys, I am pulling up at work. Me talk to them a little more. Cause Macy's, I forgot go. Hey, cuties. I'm getting off work now. But say, I'm going to the machine a while ago. I try. Wow, I look crazy. I'm going to the machine a while ago. I try to pull some money, right? Put the card in. Can't take out back the freaking card. The nails them grow out and them grow too tall. You know when you put the card in a little part there and we take it out. Oh, the girls they manage them nails they were long. Oh, no do it. There has to be a trick to it. There has to be something. Because all me I try to take out the card, me have to call one man. Me have to call one man, I don't know the man from now. Me have to beg him come take out the card for me because you know the machine I go just suck the card back in. I'm just get the card them, you know. I literally just get the 2 card them yesterday. And for the machine take them away. So, me go. Sorry, where you at? I don't know. Damn. So me go stop at the nail salon and get them cut it down. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And do my foot. Oh, drive past KFC. KFC attempt me. But anyway, I'll see y'all when I get to the salon, okay? To the salon! I finally get to say that. But at the wrong salon. Alright, never mind. Bye. It's windy today. Damn. Ooh. Oh my God. Hello. Thank you. Hi. You busy?
Yeah, please.
Yeah?
You want your toe done too?
Yeah.
Pedicure?
Yeah. Okay.
Pedicure! Pedicure!
My nose a strip. I'm hungry now, guys. I'm hungry. Oh, y'all didn't get to see. So pretty. The sun shine out backside out. I don't know if you can see. But it's cute. I like it. But anyway, I bought baked bean and franks. Yesterday, so I go cook. But by the time I reach home, Angelica already take out chicken and thing out of the fridge. So I never bother do it, but I feel like I go and go mash up, you know. Because I'm kind of hungry. But my friend is still here. And he's leaving tomorrow. And he's saying he wants to meet for drinks tonight. So maybe if we go for drinks, we'll go eat. So I don't really think that makes sense to cook no food. I don't think that makes sense at all. But I'm gonna fit. Where I go? Where I go around this? I go. Stay here. I may talk to you. Yeah, so I don't know. I'm gonna reach home and see if it makes sense. But yeah, I'm gonna go for drinks tonight. This is last night here. So I'm gonna go for drinks and eat some wings or something. Nothing too fancy, nothing too extra. And then come back at my yard. Me telling you this morning, say, I drink the tea and my stomach there hurt me. I'll know me not go bathroom. Me want them tea them expire because I don't say them used to work. They must expire because normally that's the way I middle of the night. Nothing. I'm feel this morning a little pain. And that's it. Nothing from that. Maybe I go drink some more. Or maybe them expire for true. Because I bought them last year. I bought like 2 boxes last year. And enough coming at them. I'm gonna have to check it when I get home. But anyway, guys, I go in. If I cook, I pick up back. But I'm definitely gonna pick up later for drinks. Alright? Later. Ooh. Look how later me there, but me I got. Okay, guys, outfit. Fashion Nova, slippers, Shein, bag. I think it's Shein. Jewelry, Shein. Alright, that's all. Gotta go. Bye. Oh my god, yes, it definitely need a jacket. Oh my god, no, need a dressing jacket. I walk on the road like that. Crazy. And there, guys, outside. Very cool. Alright, guys, let's go. Cuties, I'm so late. The man tell me to meet him 7:30. It's 30 minutes past 8. Plus, Mary J show
In
the
a quarter
downtown.
mile, slight right onto High Street.
Mary J show the downtown tonight, which mean a hell for me find a parking downtown. Because what? No matter how much try, one simple catch up take me the whole day. What me say? I mean name affiliate. I mean that. Because that's crazy.
At the light.
Okay, cuties, I'm here. Let's go have our quick little date night before he leaves. Alright, I'll see you guys soon.
Amazing. I don't remember that.
What? Thank you. Put too much. I just want like a little bit.
Splash.
Yeah.
You want to do?
I'll do the same liquor.
You want to do Don Julio wax? Splash of
Pineapple.
pineapple? Is that what it is? So you can just like little sips.
In our lives, but we gotta be smart about it. Right now,
What's on that?
What's up, guys? I just left the club and Party called me and tell me say them have round robin. I never even know say them have round robin tonight, but I guess them start one new round robin. So I'm gonna stop by Party them for a minute. Yeah, dinner was good. Dinner was great. Company was even better. And everything was good. Drinks was good. You know, the night was fun. Them type of date me talk about. You come out 8 o'clock and you go back in 10 o'clock. Nice. Lovely. Big one thing we are dealing with. No skettle thing. No out till 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. Can't bother. I feel old. Can't do this at all. My love, where am I going? Straight. But anyway, we're gonna link up 20 them. Have one real drink. Drink one nice little Hennessy and thing, and I think I should go and take this skirt off or drag on the floor. You know them way there? Yeah, I think I should do that, but anybody got time for that right now? So I'm just gonna. I don't know which part the GPS here carry me go, but it don't look like I'm here at all. Alright, cute, so I'm gonna take on the road. Look how more I'm soon. Oh my god, we got to get rid of this. Okay, guys. Alright, party is over. I feel better now. I feel better now. I go home 1 o'clock. Then my phone go dead. My phone. Now I'm on the heat. Because why? Well, anyway, cuties, I am about to head home. I will see you guys in the morning. I think I said that before, but I'm still a party, we don't know. But this is it for real. I'm going home. It's now 1:32. I'm going to my bed. I'm done. I've had a lot of vodka, and it's only Tuesday. Oh my god, that is not good. That is so not good. But I'm gonna play some music and head home. Now peanut, me I go and eat one peanut. Salty. Night, guys. Good evening, my beautiful cutie patootie. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, listen. I hope my client don't watch my video. I swear, because not my client trying to play matchmaker with me. That shit was so funny just now. She's like, Kadisha, are you single? I'm like, yes I am. She's like, okay. I'm like, why? Why you ask me that? She's like, well, I got a cousin and he's single and you're single and why not y'all two get together? I'm like, oh my god, I didn't know what to say. I was just like so confused. Like, what is happening? So I'm like, where does he live? He's here in Hartford. Got his own house, got a job and everything. I'm like, oh my god. Oh my god. This is crazy. This is crazy. Is this camera? But she's like, this is a picture. Show me a picture of our cousin. Not my dad. Not dad. Far. Oh. So then she's like, let me take a picture of you. I'm like, nah, I'll send you one. So I sent her one. Oh my god. I think I got me a stalker. I'm kidding, I'm kidding. That last part is crap. Crap. But anyway, yeah, my client is setting me up. That's the moral of the story. Jesus Christ, that's just crazy. That's just crazy. Crazy. I can't be your in-law, darling. I cannot be your in-law. Anyway, cutie patooties, what's up, guys? Me have a next story for tell you no. Last night, I'm gonna put a video right here. Right here. I'm gonna just watch it and tell me. How would you guys react? Tell me, because it stressed me out. Just watch the video. Crazy. Well, you can't believe that? Can you guys believe that? And me there laugh and a kiki and I go and let me cute the whole night, you know. After dinner, I go and let me cute the whole night and I skin out my 32 them. I never know say. Oxtail itch up in my braces. Like, oh my God, me say when me see it, me say make on cute like a snap for put on TikTok. Yo, I was like, me say I feel so shame. And the man not say nothing to me now. How dare you sit in front of somebody and have them a food in them teeth and don't say nothing? Like, say something. But after that, I never said nothing about it. I just take it out of my teeth and move on with my life. Yeah, cause what? Crazy. But anyway, that's that. That's my little embarrassing moment last night. But other than that, everything was cool, lovely. I had fun. The 2 parts of them, I had fun. Tonight, I'm going to stay home and edit. Like, Jesus. Video for post tomorrow, I'm going to start editing. Which means I have to go bleach tonight. And then all day tomorrow at work. And just edit. Oh my God. That's going to be crazy. That's going to be... I can't edit one vlog in a one night. I can't. It's impossible. Because first thing, I have to edit. When I edit, all the video them keep cut, take out what I don't want, dash them away, and then go back and edit properly, you know? Smooth things out. So that take a minute. That take a good minute. But it is what it is. As long as I don't know. That's the only thing what me can't keep up with. You know them way there? I'm trying to like have a set time with posting Thursday, Sunday evening. Thursday evening 3 o'clock, Sunday evening like 10 in your lane. The fuck? Excuse me. Yeah, Thursday evening 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, you know, evening when everybody come from work. And then like Sunday evening 6 o'clock them time there. You know, everybody done cook, done do them thing. But me can't seem, with the work and, me can't seem to forget it. But me I go work on it. I'm going to work on it. Me I go figure out a proper schedule and get it done. But yeah, that's it. I'm heading to the bank. I'm going to pull some money and go home. Pull some money, go home, grab some stuff for my mom, and come back at my mom's house. And then go back home, go edit. Yeah, that's that. Anyway, cuties, I will see y'all maybe later. Okay? If not excited, I'm going to take a note back. But right now, life pretty chill. Okay? Bye.